Hey everybody, Louis here. Hope you're all well here. I'm just here to run with you what I found on my Bybit scan today. If you haven't already, jump over to Bybit, open a trading account, deposit some money into it, and use our coupon, and you will get 30% off your trading fees, which is awesome. It's heaps. Always good. Now, starting with Bitcoin, let's have a look here. Really nice pull back into the cradle zone and setting up for a potential higher low. See what happens. But in terms of the things to trade, bit of buying has just come in now. Nothing really there for me to intraday trade. Maybe on the 15, if this buying continues, and we see that cyclicity return to the market, and we see that bouncing ball, yeah, maybe. But until then, nothing there for me on Bitcoin yet. If this high low does set up, who knows where that could take us? Could very well take us higher. Hi Donna, hope you're well. Hope you're well. But nothing really there for me right now. We talked about the weekly candles yesterday and the meaning behind those. If you're in our community, you'll know like the significance of flat levels and how to use the boosters. And we could be using the booster strategy on the 15 if price really starts to beef up. But until then, let's see what it does coming into this evening session. Now, on sand. Really nice like high low trend here on sand. Have a look at the 2-day. Have a look at weekly. We already looked at the weekly charts for these. Let's just break down to the 4. Now, if there was going to be a trade there, I was going to trade it. So there's the flat level going through there. If we got a bearish candle off that flat level on the 8, it makes the list. I'd like to know about it. But then the probabilities of that reaching it are so much lower because we do have an uptrend on the daily. So that could be an option. Dan, well mate, hope you're well. But we'll just see this, because if this does continue, I will be dropping down in the 15. I'll be dropping down to the 30 and the 15 to look for boosters, look for breakouts, and just seeing if that cyclicity returns to the market. Now to XTZ. Let's have a look at the daily. Really like deep pullback there on the daily. Fortunately, the moving averages weren't in order on the 2 days, so that ruled that out. If we break down to the 12, to the 8, look, let's break this down here, guys. So there was a level there. Let's see. There's a level running. There is a level running through here, but nothing really that significant. Not on the 8, at least. I was kind of stalking some shorts, but now this buying has... Bobby, how are you, mate? Happy I've caught you as well. There were some shorts trying to set up here, but now some buying has come into the market. It's kind of wrecked those potential setups. Now with this buying coming in, my strategy's changed. Now, and what that means is while I'm in front of the computer for this evening session, I want to be monitoring this 15 and 30, because if this daily does set up, who knows what we could go after that. But yeah, I'll be monitoring this 15 and the 30 for cyclicity to return. The shorts on these other time frames, any cradle shorts at least, are There's nothing that will grab either in this session or in the Northern Hemisphere session. But like the other two pairs, I'll be monitoring this 15 and 30 minute chart. Very easy to monitor during the day. Just keep an eye on it, flick out, look at my other work, flick and have a look at the 15-minute chart. And yeah, I'll see if cyclicity does return to the market there. So that's the plan for today, guys. Well, that's the plan for me right now with the Bybit pairs. If you haven't already, if you haven't liked and subscribed already, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can continue offering this cool free content. As always, I hope you're all well, and keep the risk wind down. You know, it's a bit of buying. It doesn't really mean that much, but it's always good to be prepared and think about what you're going to do if the market is going to continue, if buying does continue to come back into the market. What is your strategy for this evening session? I hope you're all well, and as always, safe trading. And Donna and Dan, I'll see you in Slack. And Bobby, see you around, mate. Everyone, take care.